Hello my friend, Evan Scoresby here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for your own Shopify store absolutely free to get started. So the first thing that you want to do is bring up an internet browser like this. I'm on Google here, and you want to go up here in the address bar and just type out coachevan.com/Shopify. This link will get you 3 days free of Shopify, and then you can continue for $1 a month for 3 months. And so once you go to that website, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. All you need to do is just put in your email address. So I'm going to put in my email address here. Put in your email address you want to use, and you just click on Start Free Trial. And that will take you into a place where you can then put in a password to create your Shopify account. And then you just follow the prompts. And you may get an email from Shopify sent to your email account to verify. So you want to make sure that you do that as well. But that's how simple and easy it is to create a Shopify account. You get your own Shopify store absolutely free for 3 days. And then it's only $1 a month for the next 3 months. And then if you continue, you just choose the package that you want to be on and to continue from there. And so go ahead, I'll have that link in the description below that you can click on to shortcut, or you can type it in. And just make sure you subscribe and like, because I'm going to be providing more Shopify tutorials pretty much from the beginning. So after you sign up and create your account, what do you do next? Well, I'm going to have some videos that will show you how to do that. All right, hope you have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.